has started growing up. That her breast has started growing up and she does not have the age. Then she took granite. Then my sister was screaming. She said that my sister should not be crying again. That my sister should not be crying again. That if she continues breastfeeding it, she will finish. She will only breastfeed it. She done it to my two sisters.
Has she ever done it to you?
No.
But did she tell her she was going to do it to you?
No.
Okay. Was it very painful?
Yes.
Your sisters were crying. Your sisters were not crying. But it was painful. How do you know that it was painful?
Because she was shaking her baby.
Okay. Your grandmother told her if she cried, what will
It was
happen?
my mother.
Your mother said if she cried, what will happen?
The breast will not
Her
come.
breast will not come out. That she should keep quiet. The breast will not go. Why does your grandmother not want the breast to grow?
Because
To go, yeah.
because my sister is small and
From 3. How old is she? 14 years. Okay, let me see. Do it again. As she did, let's see. The other one. Thank you.